I was just sent this toilet brush holder set. This is a really nice set because it is so versatile and it's got so many different ways of holding things that you don't want just hanging out in your bathroom. So it has a little area here. You can actually put whatever toilet bowl cleaner or bathroom cleaner just sitting right here. It comes with a little hanging device. If you didn't want to just set it on the floor, you can actually just hang this on your wall, and that way it will just be hanging and up off the floor so you can easily grab it and not have to reach over and do that. And then it comes with your two separate brushes. You have your silicone angled brush so you can get into the grooves of the actual toilet. And then you have a nylon bristled brush that you can wash around the outside of the toilet and get different curves and things like that with this brush. Super easy to assemble. It comes with your stainless steel rods that you just simply twist inside here. And then your holders that go on top of there that you will be able to hold onto. And then that twists on top of here. And then that is easily assembled and you are ready to use it. So here's the brushes up close. This has got this nice flexible silicone rounded edge around here so you can easily get into the grooves of a toilet. And then this one is your nylon bristles. And this is a flexible head. It moves all the way around so you can move, but it also is, as you're pushing on it, it doesn't move real easy. So it does take a little bit of force to do it. So it's not just going to move as soon as you do something. And then on the inside here, you can see how this kind of sits down just a little bit. And that way, if water gets in there, it will then be underneath of here. And you can pick that up and clean that out as well. So it's a nice little feature just to help with the cleanliness. On the back side, you've got your little grooves that you can then use your holder for. All right, so here we are in my bathroom. And I've already sprayed some cleaner in there. So we're just going to use this silicone brush. And it definitely feels different than my normal nylon one that I use. Feels like it kind of is getting down in there a little bit more around the edges. So that is a nice feeling. And it does feel like it's cleaning it up pretty good. It is a nice soft bristle, so it's not going to be scratching anything. And then we can use this one to then get around the edges and clean any of this area up of your toilet. So this is actually really nice because it's getting underneath these little handles where just a regular towel does not get all of that. So I do like how that is getting all of this, and it's just easily moving around with me. This is a really nice set. Seems like it's going to hold up really well. I like the nice soft handle and the variety of brushes.